Do you want to live healthy forever? Just avoid these 8 things. This is the official YouTube channel of Best Tips and Tricks. Number 1. If you care for your lungs, avoid smoking. Number 2. If you care for your heart, avoid excess salt. Number 3. If you care for your liver, avoid excessive fatty food. Number 4. If you care for your stomach, avoid cold food. Number 5. If you care for your intestine, replace junk food with vegetables. Number 6. If you care for your pancreas, avoid overfeeding. Number 7. If you care for your kidney, drink a lot of water during the day, drink less water at night, empty your bladder before going to bed. Number 8. If you care for your brain, sleep for 8 hours between every 16 hours. And if you care for others, share this video with them. If you want to know best tips and tricks, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel Best Tips and Tricks. Click on notification bell if you want to remain ahead of others with best tips and tricks. Thank you for watching Best Tips and Tricks YouTube channel.